create a lot of overcast, whatever you'd call this. Alright, let's see what happens. Come on. Not a lot of drones today flying around. Come on, let's get lucky here. The 91 usually does get tagged a couple of times. Come on. Come on, give me some video. Come on. Yeah, today is not a video day. They're out here, they're flying around. I'm just not recording them. A lot of them are flying in stealth, they're cloaked. It's one of those days. Alright, take the good with the bad. Alright, we'll come back later. See you later. Oh, look at that. Did you just see that? Get out of here. God. Unbelievable. I'll leave the camera on another few seconds. Look at that. I was just about to shut it off. Wow. Okay, see you later.